Okay, so what I'm adding this time is the rear spoiler with a light. I gave it a quick coat of paint, just a simple enamel job for now, just to make it look more the part. Running the wiring. This is where the wiring's coming through here, and we've got white with black trace and green with white trace. I'm going to follow that down here. We've got the same colour coding down here, so it's sticking to the same colour coding, using a whippersnipper or weed whacker cable as a draw line. I've already fed that through, so now I'm going to use the roll wire here. It's actually 5 core, but that's alright, I only need 2 of them. And yeah, the next part is pulling that cord through, so I'm going to just use a bit of electrical tape to tape the end of the wire there to the cord here, pull it through, and then wire her up, and that should be it. And this part here is see what I've had to do there, made a bit of a mess of it, but seriously, the distance to get to that 10mm in there is about that far distance, and the length of the thread is probably about that. And every socket I had, except for this baby 10mm socket, wouldn't reach it, even this, because it would hit here and it just wouldn't reach the 10mm socket. So I've had to make a bit of a mess out of me tailgate there, but you won't see that with all the covers on anyway, so just have to grim and bear that one. But now I'll wire up, and we should be ready to yeah, give it a go. Okay, so you see I've got the wire through now. It's drawn through onto there, and I could have wired just to here, but the colour coding is not the same as the end of the tailgate there, and I really want to follow the same colour coding. So easier for me if I just go to the draw a wire through to the tail lights there, instead of trying to find out which wire here it is, because there is no green with white trace. There's a couple of greens, and they're pretty thin, and you got other wires, so it wasn't worth messing around with. Easier just to go directly to where I need the light from, and that's how I taped it up to draw it through there. Alrighty, and there you go. Rear spoiler in with brake light. I've still got my 92 brake light and a 94 brake light, which is probably 95 and 96, probably right through to 99. But yeah, I'm happy with that. Okay, and my kooky lights, love them. So thanks for watching, guys.